Hello dear viewers, in this video we're going to have a look at how to adjust the grass height on these grass cutters. This is a gasoline engine operated grass cutter, and the height of the grass that you are cutting can be adjusted. If you see right here, there are different levels. Now it is on level 3. The highest will be right here. When it is placed in here, it will be the highest. And if you watch down there, there are 5 slots on which you can adjust. Similarly, the front wheel has to be adjusted. The front wheel height also will be adjusted by this linkage. Now, the method of operation is very simple. Right here, there is a operating handle. When you pull this up, what is happening is, as you pull this up, these pins, they will retract. And once the pin retracts, you can move this to your required height and then let go of this lever. When you let go, it will get inserted in one of the positions in one of the slots. So that is basically how it is adjusted. Look, see, when I press this up, it will be moving up. Then all I have to do now is move the grass cutter up and down to the required height, and then it will automatically snap into place when one of the level reaches. It is a spring-loaded pin, and it will snap into place when the right height and when the hole aligns. That is a very simple method, and as you move this lever through this linkage, it will operate the front wheel as well. Now let's go ahead and see this in action. Let me show you how it moves up and down, and then we'll go to the rear wheel, the front wheel as well. Pressing the lever and then lifting this up. See? Now it is on the tallest grass position. All I did is I pressed the lever, lifted this up, and then it is now on level 1. If I want to press it on the lowest setting, pull the handle, push it down. Now it is on the lowest setting. If you watch, now it is on the lowest setting. See? It's on number 5 now. There are 5 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. Now it is on number 5. All I did is I activated this lever, and then pushed it down. Similarly, that motion will be transferred to the front wheel through this linkage. Look what will happen when the position changes. Look at what is happening to the front wheel as well. See, now it is lifted up. This will lift the entire cutter height from the ground, and that will increase the cutting height. Look when it is moving down. Now it has moved down. And there is an indicator right here that indicates the limit, the height. It is a minimum. Here is a maximum. When I place it on the maximum, it will be right here on the maximum. And when I move it to the minimum, see, it's moving to the minimum direction. So this is how you can simply adjust the height. You can see the clearance. This opening will vary when it is lifted up. You have this much wide height, and when it is going to the lower setting, see, it's 1 finger only gap. Previously it was right here, now it will allow only 1 finger. So this is how you adjust the grass cutting height of a lawnmower. Very simple procedure. Engine is right here. It's an air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's a spark engine. And right here we have the carburetor. And these linkages are there to operate the choke and the throttle. Here is the height adjustment lever. Move this, lift it up, and push it down. That's all you have to do. You move this, lift it up, and let go. It will snap into place. So this is how height is adjusted. Grass cutting height can be adjusted with this mechanism. Thank you for watching.